Rosie, 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 Rosie. Wake up. It's time to go to school.
Why do I have to go to school? Can I skip school to go to Peter Piper Pizza?
No. You have school today. Now go to school.
Fine.
Good morning, class. Today is our class.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can. But hurry back.
Okay, I'm going to skip school to go to Peter Piper Pizza. Ha 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 ha. Yes, Peter Piper Pizza. Here I am. Yay, I won a prize.
Hello. Welcome to Peter Piper Pizza. What can I do for you?
I will like a pizza and a drink.
Okay. You can go take a seat.
Oh, no.
Rosie, how dare you skip school to go to Peter Piper Pizza? That's it. We're going home right now. Rosie, how dare you skip school to go to Peter Piper Pizza? That's it.
You're grounded for 2,738,483,495 years. Go to your room right now.